Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can communicate our LSVFD iS7 model with Fatek PLC via RS485 communication in RTU mode. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you my hardware. This is my PLC and that's I'm using this MBD RS485. Just this my connections of the RS485, and here in VFD also I can show you. This is our RS485 communication wire, and this is the here S minus and S plus. These two wires we connected with this VFD. That's I can show you. These wires are connected with our. These two wires are connected with this our VFD RS485 communication with this VFD. So I will close this cover just and explain you after about how we can set the parameters also. Just first we will set the parameters in our VFD. Just you have to put that mode button and enter, and after scroll down, and here you can see this is the command source, and here acceleration time, declaration time, and here you can find this one command source. Okay, this command source, click on the program, and after you can choose the RS485 INT RS485 and click enter. One, this parameter, and second we have to be choose this one frequency reference SRC. This also you can see this we have to be select this one INT485 and click enter. And next parameter you have to be set in the communication parameters. Here go in, out, and now this is in the communication. This is first you have to be set the ID, which is the address of your VFD. This is first address. I put this one address. Okay, and this one next you have to be put protocol. This you click enter, and you can see this the first 0. You have to put the Modbus RTU DC and click enter. And next you have to be put this band rate. You can see this is here is the 2400, 4800, and next this one 9600, and this click enter. And next you have to put this one data bit, parity, and stop bit, and this I'm using this one data bit 8, parity even, and S1 stop bit 1, and click enter. And after asking this one, and here these parameters are now completed. So next we have to be go into our WinProLadder software, and this already I created, but I just explain you. This is M100. This is no problem, you can any choose. For example, this is I will change M10, I will change. Okay, choose, no problem. And after this is M1962. This is the special internal memory relay. This is giving the pulse continue for to COM port selection of the Modbus. And next this one, when you where you got this block, I first stop this one, W enter, and just we have to be stop the PLC. And if you like to create new, you can just go to the files, and here you can create the new project. Okay, and which PLC you have, click on new project. If you like to save this one project, no problem, save. If you don't like to be saved, you can click yes. So I will better this one. I will modify, save this one. Already this will be saved this file. Okay, overwrite, yes, okay. And now it's new. We will create the new project. This is better. First you have to give your project name. For example, we will give the name Modbus RS 485 program. Okay, and here you have to choose your PLC. This is which model you have. You can select it here from the model. I have FPS 20 points and MC model I have. Okay, and click it OK, and again click it OK. This interface will be open. Just take this one. For example, M20, I will take this one. Any you can choose, no problem. And next you have to one more, take M1962. This you have to this is the special relay. This you have to choose, and just go to the functions and click it here. 150 when you type, after you will get the block. Okay, and here comport you have to write which comport you like to selection to. Starting address we have to choose for 5000. Okay, and writing register we have to start from, for example, from 2000. You can select this one 2000 and click it OK, and your block will be ready. And just here you can select the release. For example, M1 I will choose, and this second we will choose M2, and this third we can choose M3, and click enter, and just this program will be ready. And after you have to set the settings in your PLC, but that when you will make online, after you will check, make it online, auto check, COM4 selection, click yes, your program will be downloaded into the PLC. Again OK, and our program is ready. Now it's showing this error because of we have to set this, make the table this one. This edit the table, Modbus register table, add Modbus register table. Here we have to select this one. Table name we can give any, for example master table I will go. Master table, starting address which we like to give, start from R5000. Okay, and click enter. And here setup you already make this one. Okay, and here you have to send the datas, write the datas where you like to start the VFD. This is our slave station which we set the setting for in VFD1. VFD address, this we have to select, and here we have to write. If we need to write the data, we have to choose write. If we like to read the data, we have to click on read. So this is write, and data size we have to choose 1, and this is we have to give, for example R5 I will choose, and here you have to write the register, which is where we like to set the frequency. For example, this is 4005 is our writing register for the VFD LS. Okay, first I will write and after I will explain you. Next you have to one more add, also you have to write. This is we can choose for R6, and this we can choose for 4006. This is the run command data register. And just, and next also if you like to choose, you can choose, no problem. This is for read we will take. This is R7 we can choose, and here 4009 we have to write, and click it OK, and this also click OK. Okay, and this again one more thing, we have to make the setting in the COM port 9600 band rate which we set in the VFD, that we have to be set it here. Even parity 8-bit data and stop bit 1, and Fatek communication we have to be choose this one, Modbus RTU slave, and click it OK and click enter and run PLC make. And as when you put in the M20 on, make it M20 on, your communication will be started, and open the status page, click OK, and here we will write this one, which first we write R5, right, for run command, and R6 we choose for the frequency value, and here we will choose R7 for the feedback of our VFD. So this is, if we put 1, our VFD will be in stop mode, and if we put 2, just we will check this one. If we put 2, it will be start reverse, I think so. And this value we will put for 2000, for example, we will put 2000. This is just we have to be cross check our master table datas R4005, R4006 and R4009, right, 1 R5 4005. Again once we will so now you can see this is our in the status page. If I put this one in 2, our VFD will be start in reverse mode, sorry, forward mode. And if we will put, I will show you in the picture also, we can, I will make small this one, and here this also we can make it a small, and this will also we will make the small. This we will make it here, and this we can make it small at the right corner. And this is our only, we have to be monitor with the our status page. You can see this is the R6. If we put it here for 1, for example, this will be go into the stop mode, right? And if we will put it here for 4 mode, it will be go into the reverse mode. Now it's in reverse. And if you like to change the value, for example, this is, we have to be put 30 frequency, so we have to put 3000, it will be go up to 30. If you type it here 40, for example, you have to be write 4000, and it will be go at the 40 Hertz, you can see. And you like to change the direction, you can put the 2, it will be first stop and after go into the second direction, right? You can see now it's going to in direction. And this is, here you can reduce your speed, for example, to 1000, it will be come back at the 20. And this data is how you can make in the program. This also I can explain you. Make it this one 1 and stop the VFD, and we will full the screen. And it's very simple and easy method. You can stop the PLC, and here you can choose any bit. For example, M10 I will choose, Okay, and next we can use the move command. Here move mov, when you write after you will be got move command, and simply here type, for example, we have to be reverse command give forward command giving the right 2, and where you like to move this 2 value in the R5, right? In the R5 we have to be give the value, it's the no sorry R6, R6 we have to be move, write it here R6 and click enter. And next you can be choose, for example, one more here M15, and you can again choose the move command and click enter, and you can write the 4 for the reverse condition or R6. Okay, and click enter. And one more you can make it here M25 and click enter, and you can choose the move function, click OK, and you can move 1 into the R6. It's very simple and easy method. Same as you can again download to the PLC and click yes. Okay, and make it on, and when you on this M10, after your VFD will be go into the reverse mode. See, as I make it on this one, this data will be moved into R6, and stop this one off, and when you start this one, here our VFD is also, we can see this will be running in the reverse condition. And as we make it on this M15, make it on, after your VFD will be going to the next direction, right? And when you off this one, and when you make it M25 on, your VFD will be going to the stop mode. So this way you can control your VFD by the PLC Fatek by RS485 communication. So hope guys you will be understand about this, how we can connect our iS7 VFD with the Fatek PLC via communication RS485 in RTU mode. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.